Hey fit friends, what's up, what's up, what's up? Good to see you. Welcome to September. It is fall. Well, it's not technically fall yet, right? It's almost there. We've just finished Labor Day. Kids are in school. Hopefully everyone's back to a regular, more structured schedule now that summertime is coming to an end. And what better way to fall into work, fitness, school, fall into fitness? What better way to do that than to have some articles here for you about spices, alternatives to sweets, no cook snack ideas, because we're more busy now than we were in the summer. And it's best to know what you're going to have ahead of time so that you're successful, which leads me to the topic of this month is meal prepping. I'm going to cut away to some pictures of what I meal prep and what I do. Meals for myself and my husband, meals for the kids that do not, I promise you, do not take a lot of time. But if you just do the time up front, it's kind of like we tell our kids, right? Do the hard stuff first, do the easy stuff later. Do the hard stuff first, meal prep now, coast through the week later. Reduce your stress level by God 100% easily. But not only that, save money, right? You may start to save you might even save like 50% of your income. I don't know. I might be pushing it. What are the stats out there? I'm not sure. But you could potentially save a whole lot of doggone money. If you figure nowadays one lunch is like $10, a coffee is probably another 10 if you get a muffin or something. You could easily spend $30 to $60 a day eating out. And let's just do Monday through Friday. So let's just do an easy number. Let's say $30 Monday through Friday times 5. What is that? $150? You're spending $150 a week on food. My salads only cost me $1 something per salad to make, and I make 10 salads a week. That's $10 just for lunch. Okay? I do a shake for dinner. For breakfast. And I have a meal for dinner. I'm probably spending half of that 150. So yeah, you're probably saving 50% if you get on this meal prep thing. So let me just share with you what I do. Salads are our staple for lunch. The kids have a little something different that they eat at school, but salads for me and my husband, I make those on Sunday. I also cook up some roasted broccoli, veggies, whatever. The season's changing, so I can even bake some yams. I stopped baking yams because I don't want to turn the oven on. But salads are a staple. We eat that every day. Been eating that every day, I don't know, 5 years plus. Repetition is the key, right? Keep it simple. Keep it simple, Sally, stupid, whatever you want to call it. Keeping it simple. We repeat the same meals day in and day out. Is that boring? No. Is it nutritious? Yes. Am I worried about it? No. Do I still have my moments? Yes. But you have to start somewhere. Even if you just start with meal prepping, let's say you just do lunches or you just do dinner and you graduate to the other ones, promise you'll love it in the long run. So you're saving time, you're saving money, and it helps you stay on track with your goals. You're part of the Team Beachbody community. You're using the programs, or maybe not, and you need to get started again. Start with meal prepping. Use the menus and nutrition guides that are available to you in Beachbody On Demand. Check it out. Take care of that. I'll show you the roasted veggies. I clean our fruit. Apples, grapes, blueberries, strawberries, whatever's in season. I buy the cantaloupe and pineapples already pre-cut from Trader Joe's. We buy sliced apples. We're not hurting for fruit in this house, but you just have to take the time up front to take care of those things. And in turn, you take care of yourself, take care of your family, and it's a done deal. Everyone's a lot happier. Your body loves you. Hopefully you're a better person because you're eating better, and all's well in the world. So with that said, again, check out the articles below. Spices, drinks, even mochas and all those type of stuff. There's alternatives in here for you to, instead of having the sugary one, a healthier way to do it. No cook snacks for you. Check it all out. And if you need me, as always, reach out. I'm always here. I haven't gone anywhere. And I'll see you guys next month.